Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to factory reset your Apple AirPods or headphones step by step.
Method 1. Using the AirPods case. Step 1. Put your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Step 2. Wait 30 seconds, then open the lid. Step 3. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, Bluetooth. Tap the I next to your AirPods, then tap Forget this device. Step 4. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. Step 5. Your AirPods are now reset and ready to pair again. Method 2. If using AirPods Max. Step 1. Press and hold the noise control button and the digital crown simultaneously. Step 2. Keep holding for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber, then white. Step 3. Your AirPods Max are now reset and ready for pairing.